Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Linktree to Facebook. In this walkthrough, we'll be using your Linktree admin area to create a new link that sends visitors directly to your Facebook page. This is a simple way to make your Facebook profile or business page easier to find from your Linktree, especially if you want all your social links in one place. To begin, open Linktree admin in your browser. This is where you manage all of the links that appear on your Linktree page. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're on the Links section, since that's where new buttons and destinations are created. Next, click on Add. This starts the process of creating a new link. If you have several links already on your page, this button is what lets you add another one without changing your existing setup. After that, enter Facebook in the appropriate field. This helps label the type of link you're creating and makes it easier to identify while you're setting things up. Keeping labels clear is useful, especially if you manage multiple social media links inside Linktree. Now enter a title for the link. This is the text people will actually see on your Linktree page, so choose something simple and recognizable. A clear title helps visitors know exactly where the link will take them. For example, using a straightforward title related to your Facebook presence can make the link more inviting and easier to understand at a glance. Once the title is in place, enter your Facebook URL. Make sure you paste the full and correct web address for the Facebook page or profile you want people to visit. It's a good idea to double check the link before saving it, because even a small typo can send visitors to the wrong destination or cause the link not to work properly. Finally, click on Add to save the new Facebook link to your Linktree. Once you do that, the link should appear in your list of Linktree links and be ready for your audience to use. After saving, you may want to preview your Linktree page to confirm that the title looks right and that the Facebook link opens correctly. This quick check can help you catch formatting issues before your visitors do. And that's it. You've successfully added Facebook to your Linktree, making it easier for your audience to connect with you across platforms.